How to fix the live problem on TikTok. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, you need to make sure that you have 1,000 followers or more than that in order to go live on TikTok. Now, in case you have 1,000 followers and you are still being shown that error, here is what you should do to fix it. First thing first, let's go ahead and make sure our application is updated. Head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in TikTok, and if you see update, tap on update and update your app. Once you updated your app, open it. Get logged into your TikTok account and tap onto your profile. Once done, tap on the three-bar icon on your top right-hand side, go for settings and privacy. Scroll all the way below and under support and about, tap on report a problem. At the section under topics, expand the button that says account and profile, then tap on a profile page at the bottom options. Here tap on other, tap on no, then tap on need more help. And at this section, you can simply tap on this live button and have a communication with TikTok help desk. Here you can simply type in that even though you have 1,000 followers, you are not being able to go live. Just like so guys, this is how you can fix your problem. That is all for today and thank you for watching.